Exercise 2.3. Question number 8. Prove that 2 to the power of n plus 6 into 9 to the power of n is always divisible by 7 for any positive integer n. We have to prove 2 to the power of n plus 6 into 9 to the power of n is always divisible by 7. We can do the problem in two ways. Method 1. We can write 2 as congruent to 9 mod 7. So I have written 2 in terms of 9. 2 congruent to 9 mod 7. Because 2 minus 9, 7. 2 minus 9 minus 7 is divisible by 7. So 2 is congruent to 9 mod 7. We want 2 to the power of n. So 2 to the power of n is congruent to 9 to the power of n mod 7. Now take up this 9. 9 can be written as congruent to 9 mod 7. We take mod 7 because we have to prove it is divisible by 7. That's why we have taken mod 7. 9 minus 9, 0 is divisible by 7. So this is also correct. So we have written 2 in terms of 9, 9 in terms of 9. 9 is congruent to 9 mod 7. So 9 to the power of n is congruent to 9 to the power of n mod 7 because we want 9 to the power of n. Let me repeat. We have 2 power n and 9 power n. I try to express 2 in terms of 9. 2 is congruent to 9 mod 7. Correct. Because 2 minus 9, that is minus 7, is divisible by 7. We want 2 power n. So 2 power n is congruent to 9 power n mod 7. Also, 9 can be written as congruent to 9 mod 7. Because 9 minus 1, 0 is divisible by 7. We want 9 power n. So 9 power n is congruent to 9 power n mod 7. We want 6 into 9 power n. So multiply this by 6. 6 into 9 power n is congruent to 6 into 9 power n mod 7. So 2 power n is congruent to 9 power n mod 7. 6 into 9 power n is congruent to 6 into 9 power n mod 7. Equation 1, equation 2. Here we have to add. So 2 power n plus 6 into 9 power n. So add these two. 2 power n plus 6 into 9 power n. Left hand side is added. 2 power n plus 6 into 9 power n is congruent to 9 power n plus 6 into 9 power n modulo 7. Simplify this. 9 power n plus 6 into 9 power n. So it is 7 into 9 power n mod 7. 9 power n, 9 power n, 1 9 power n, 6 9 power n, so 7 9 power n. 7 into 9 power n when you add. Or you take 9 power n common. So 9 power into 1 plus 6. That is 9 power n into 7. That is 7 into 9 power n mod 7. Now when this is divided by 7, the remainder is 0. So 7 into 9 power n mod 7 is the same as 0 mod 7. Because when this is divided by 7, the remainder is 0. When you divide this by 7, the remainder is 0. So this is congruent to 0 mod 7. 2 power n plus 6 into 9 power n is proved to be congruent to 0 mod 7. That is 2 power n plus 6 into 9 power n is divisible by 7. Because this minus 0 is divisible by 7. That is 2 power n plus 6 into 9 power n is divisible by 7. We express 2 in terms of 9. We express 9 in terms of 9. And we find the required powers. Also we multiply this 9 power n by 6 and add these two, we get the result. Method 2. Now we write 2 in terms of 2 and 9 in terms of 2. 9 is congruent to 2 mod 7. this is method 2. 2 is congruent to 2 mod 7 because 2 minus 2 is divisible by 7. So this is correct. Now 9 is congruent to 2 mod 7 because 9 minus 2 is 7 is divisible by 7. Here 2 has been written to be congruent to 2 mod 7. We want 2 power n. So raise it to the power n. 2 power n is congruent to 2 power n mod 7, equation 1. Here we want power n. So 9 power n is congruent to 2 power n mod 7. Equation 2. Add these two. 1 plus 2 implies 2 power n plus 6 into 9 power n is congruent to 2 power n plus 6 into 2 power n mod 7. Left hand sides added, right hand sides added. Now this 2 power n plus 6 into 2 power n, 6 2 power n, 1 2 power n, so 7 into 2 power n, or you take 2 power n common, so 2 power n into 1 plus 6, that is 7. So 2 power n into 7 is congruent modulo 7. 2 power n. 2 power n plus 6 into 9 power n is congruent to 7 into 2 power n modulo 7. When 7 into 2 power n is divided by 7, the remainder is 0. It goes exactly. This 7 into 2 power n is exactly divisible by 7. So when you divide 7 into 2 power n, the remainder is 0. So congruent 7 into 2 power n mod 7 can be written as congruent 0 mod 7. That shows what? 2 power n plus 6 into 9 power n is divisible by 7. So we have proved the problem in 2 ways. The problem is over.